Rossman.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another Positive Rossman production. Just want to thank everybody for joining me today. As you can tell, I'm sounding like Barry White today. Little unusual, but whenever I catch a cold, my voice becomes silky smooth. So there's that. Sorry in advance. This is like the fourth time I've had to record this video. Not sure what's going on. My mic died. Just crazy stuff's been going on. So if you've made it this far, good on you. Thank you so much for being here. There's a lot of new faces around the channel. Thank you so much for your subscriptions. Thank you for your reviews. Thank you for sharing, liking, and all of your positive feedback. Again, positivity is my number one thing. And yes, I'm not always positive. It's impossible for somebody to be positive all the time. But I truly believe that positivity is a choice. We all have a choice at the end of the day. And we truly never know what anybody is going through on their day-to-day life. So it is super important, in my opinion, to just be as positive as possible, because you never know, honestly. Somebody could be really going through something, and just a few uplifting words could really just raise that person's spirit, you know? It's pretty awesome. And I'm a firm believer in karma. I truly believe that everything that you do in this universe, everything that you have put out, is going to come right back to you, whether it be positive or negative. So knowing that, why wouldn't you want positive things to come back to you? And if somebody cuts you off in the middle of traffic, try not to get mad. I know it's frustrating. We're all trying to get to our destinations, but instead of seeing them as somebody that just cut you off, see them as your relative, a relative that you love. See them as that, and it makes the whole situation so much better. It turns it from like, oh, you little, to like, come on, bud, what are you doing? So I think if we all had that perspective on life and these situations that come up, I think we'd all be in a better spot. But yeah, sorry, got off topic. Let me get off my soapbox here. Got another video sponsor, super cool. This next video is awesome, super useful in the tech world, or if you've got a broken charger port, or even just a phone that isn't charging, or tablet. I'm pretty sure it's a tablet that I'm doing. Sorry, there are so many repairs and so much that's been going on in my day-to-day life. I just finished up my finals. I think last week was finals week. And yeah, work's been nuts, working a lot of overtime. The weather's getting cooler, so there's a lot more service calls, and just a part of the beast, you know. Just got to stay positive, keep working through it. And yeah, everything's going great. Next semester, though, my last semester, I haven't decided if I'm continuing on with my education plan or not, but the degree's there, and I'm so excited. And there's a possibility of me continuing on. So we'll see where that goes. Shout outs to the guys. Huge shout out to Grant. Huge shout out to Big Boss Grant. Huge shout out to Luke. Huge shout out to Kyle, Bobby, and John, Bryce, and Tony. Yes, you guys are awesome. Whenever I get stuck in the middle of the field, I give you guys a call. And generally, I've tried a few things. And then when those things aren't working, that's when I give you guys a call. So thank you so much for walking me off the ledge when I'm about ready to just throw something out a window. Appreciate you guys, honestly. And we got a new front desk guy. His name's Grant as well. And smooth sailing. Everything's going great. It makes all the difference in the world when you have somebody that's actually been in the field and been in the industry for a while, and he understands how things work, and he understands the time frames around things. It's just, makes all the difference, honestly. So I really appreciate everybody. Thank you guys so much. I'm not sure if you guys will even see this video, but if you do, I appreciate all of you, honestly. Oh, and I got a Padawan. Yeah, we got a new guy. His name is Kelvin. A shout out to Kelvin. Honestly, he's super cool, very positive, and he doesn't complain. But I'm like, hey man, you got to get up in this really tight space, and you got to kind of just work on this belt and like get the belt off the pulley. He's like, okay, I guess we got to do this. And he'll like go up the ladder and put himself in the confined space, and he's doing great, honestly. He's growing so quickly too within the industry. So huge shout out to Calvin, Kelvin, not Calvin. No, there's no Hobbs. All right, man. Everybody, thank you again. Really appreciate this. Really appreciate you guys taking the time to view this repair and just listen to me talk. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas, doesn't matter your religion, honestly. In my opinion, all religion is man-made. But what is most important is the relationship with your divine, whatever you see that as, whether it be looking at a sunset and you're like, yeah, I see God in that, or just anything. Sorry, getting off topic here. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. I wish you positive energy towards that. Blessings and joy? I don't know. Sorry, this got awkward. Anyways, don't forget to be positive to one another. All right, guys, later. Today's sponsor is Depot US. That's DEPOT US. They really hooked me up, and if you need any electronic components, they're here for you. We start off first by heating up our screen with either a heat gun or just a regular blow dryer. Make sure to hit all the surfaces of the perimeter before you start trying to pry off the screen. Then again, my 3-step process by inserting a flexible razor and then a little bit thicker razor. If I can get in there. There we go. And then my guitar pick. And then I take my guitar pick around the perimeter of the surface, scraping off all of that double-sided tape. Next, gently pull up. Be careful, you have this ribbon cable here that's still attached. Go ahead and orient it in a way where you can access the screws. Next, you're going to have some screws holding in this top plate. You're going to need to get this top plate off in order to access the charging port. With the screws removed, gently apply pressure, pushing upwards with a pick. With the top plate removed, that exposes the charging port. Once you remove the ribbon cables, you should be able to just pry up with a little bit of pressure. There is a rubber gasket that kind of holds everything into place, so pry that off first. Then the unit should just come right out. Next, insert the new charging unit, port first. Then insert the ribbon cable. And remove any of the existing gasket around the sides. With that removed, we now insert our top plate back on and we insert our screws. Apply your new double-sided adhesive tape. Reattach the top side ribbon cable, the cover, and the screws holding it. Apply firm and even pressure around the perimeter and wipe clean. If done correctly, enjoy your new old tablet. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to be positive to one another.